everybody, we are going to play a letter game. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We have our winter sensory bin today, and we are going to pick out letters, and we are going to practice the names of our letters, the sounds that they make, and we are going to go through the whole alphabet. Do you think you can help me? Good. All right, let's get started. This is my winter sensory box. Oh, are you going to hold on to our penguin for us? Can I show everybody? Oh, her hat broke. It's okay. I can glue it back on.
I'm gonna glue it.
Yeah, I'll glue it. This is our little penguin friend who's going to help us. Are we ready? All right. You want to hold this? Oh, you want to start with a letter? Here.
I want to be it.
Pick a letter. What letter is that?
B.
Okay, let's show everybody. What letter do we have? This is the letter
B.
Okay, and what sound does B make?
Ba, ba, ba.
Great job! The letter B makes the b, b, b sound, like in ball.
Ba.
So we can put it on our board.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too. Can you, wait, don't pick any more letters. We're gonna write the word ball, letter B, and one of the words that starts with the letter B is ball. So we're gonna say, can you help me with my song?
Yeah.
B is for ball, b, b, ball. We're not doing your name right now. Listen, close your mouth. Listen, we're doing B. So B is for ball, b, b, ball. Can you do that sound with me? B, b. B says b. B is for ball. B, b, ball. Good job. All right. We're going to collect our letters so I can make sure we do all of them. All right. We're shaking them up. We're going to... Okay, how about, may I please pick one? Sure. Okay, hurry up, pick one or it's my turn.
R.
Can I see it, please? What letter is this?
R.
R. Does anyone...
It's a R. R's a rainbow. R, rainbow.
Good job. A word that starts with a word that starts with R is rainbow. But do you know what sound it makes?
I say R, rainbow.
R says r, rainbow. Can you say r?
I do
Listen,
say
listen.
rainbow.
Can you say r, rainbow? R is for rainbow. R, rainbow. All right. We will write the word rainbow. R is for rainbow. R, rainbow. All right. Good job. You are really good at this game. All right. Oh, please don't chew on that. All right. I'm going to pick a letter. Wait, we'll shake it up.
I'll pick up a two.
My turn, please.
My place I pick up.
You can be next. I have the letter G. I have the letter G.
I say G.
You say G? You say G?
G.
Good job. Sit down. All right. Does anyone know what sound G makes? G is for gorilla or grasshopper. Good job. All right. We'll do gorilla. Ready? G is for gorilla. Gorilla. Can you make the g sound? There you go. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. All right. Would you like to pick a letter now? You're not supposed to do it with your eyes closed. She picked the... Oh. What letter is this?
H.
H. Do you know a word that starts with the letter H? Do you know a letter... Oh, hey. Do you know a word that starts with the letter H?
H is a hat. H hat.
H is for hat. Do you know what sound? Go. H is for hat. Hat. Good job. All right. Ooh, I got two of them. What letter do I have?
O.
O. Does anyone have a word that starts with O? Ouch or octopus? Oval. Good job. Sometimes O will say its name like oval, or the sound that it makes is ah, like in octopus. O is for octopus. Ah, ah, octopus. Can you say ah?
Octopus.
Good job.
I
All
sit
right.
right here.
You could sit right there. Can you please close your eyes and pick a letter? I don't think you closed your eyes. We have the letter
U.
U. U is for up or umbrella or what else?
Up.
Upside down.
Upside down.
U says Can you say Sit down. Can you say U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Good job. My turn. I like this letter. Do you know what letter this is?
K.
K. K is for what?
You like your eyeshadow.
Oh, thank you. K is for kangaroo.
I like your makeup.
Thank you. What's a word that starts with K? K is for kangaroo or kick or kite. So what sound does K say? Kite. Okay, can you sit down, please? I have a boo-boo. Can you sit down, please?
Why got boo-boo?
Because I hit my hand when I was coming upstairs. Can you sit down, please, so I can sing? All right, ready? Sing with me. K is for kite. Kite. Can you make that sound me? There you go. K is for kite. Kite. All right. Can you pick another letter? Oh, put the toys down, please. Uh-oh, you got two of them stuck together. Can you pick one?
You.
There you go. What is that?
You.
What letter is this? W. Do you know some words that start with W? There you go. Whistle, watch, whale. Great job. Let's do whale. W is for whale. Whale. Can you do that? W is for whale. Whale. Great singing. That's not a letter, it's a snowflake. Ooh, I like this letter. Well, I like all of our letters. But do you know what letter this is? A. Good job. Do you know a word that starts with A? That was a big word. Astronaut starts with A. So does apple and ant. We're not on that one right now. All right, ready? A says A. Can you say A? A says A, like apple.
Apple.
A is for apple. Apple. Can you do it one more time? A is for apple. Apple. Good job. Can you pick another letter, please? X. Okay. This word, or this letter, can be a little tricky because words, or the one word, two words, that have it at the beginning, either it says its name or it says a completely different sound. So there's a tricky word, where it says X-ray, and it has the X at the beginning, so it says its name, and that's how you see if your bones are broken or not. And then there's a musical instrument called a xylophone, but that doesn't really sound like an X sound. So I like to use words that have an X at the end, like fox, fox. Can we do the word fox? You ready? Can you make a X sound? Fox. There you go. X is for fox. X, x, fox. X is for box. X, x, box. Can we do it again? X is for box. X, x, box. There you go. All right. What about this letter? Do you know what this letter is? Do you know what this letter is?
Y.
What is a word that starts with Y? Do you know a word that starts with Y?
Yogurt.
Yogurt and yellow and yo-yo. I heard those good words. Do you know what sound it makes?
Yogurt.
Well, yogurt's the word. The sound that it makes is yuh. Can you say yuh? Like yellow or yogurt? Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. Can you sing with me one more time? Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. Good job. Hey, I need you to sit on your bottom, and I need you to have your listening ears on, or we're going to have to put the toys away. Okay? You can have a lovey to sit in your lap, but if you're playing with it, then the lovey has to go away. What letter is this? D. D is for donut and dog. What else?
Dog.
What's another word? D is for?
D's a dog.
Dog. We're just going to like dog. D is for don't. D is for donut. D is for dog. D is for drum. D. Can you say duh, duh, duh? You know, can you go duh, duh, duh? D is for donut. Donut. Can you say with me? D is for donut. Donut. Good singing. Ooh. What is this letter? There you go. A Q. A Q is for queen or quarter or quail. What's Q for? You like queen? Can you make a qu sound? Make a qu sound. Q is for queen. Queen. There we go. Nope, I need you to sit where you are so you can see my letters. I have a new letter. What's this letter? What's this letter? M. What word starts with M? M is for monster or mommy or music. M says mm. Can you say mm? M is for mommy. Mommy. M is for monkey. I heard that. Monkey. Good singing.
Ooh, ah.
Yep, that's what a monkey says. And this.
A monkey says swing a tree like that.
Yes, it does. What is this letter?
Monkeys say eat bananas.
Monkeys do eat bananas, but what letter is this?
N.
There you go. N is for what?
Numbers.
Numbers. No.
No.
What else?
No.
Noon.
Noon.
What sound does the letter make? Can you go n, n,
No.
n, n? N is for news. N is for no. N, n, no. Can you do that? N is for no. N, n, no. Good job. Would you like to pick out a letter? Pick one.
F.
She got the letter F. F is for what? Funny, frog, flip. Okay, good job. Let's do frog. Is that okay? All right. F is for frog. Frog. Can you do that sound? There you go. F is for frog. Frog. Good job. Let's do another one. Oh, we're almost out of letters. This is the letter E for Elena. You're right. E can say its name like in Elena, or E can say its sound like in what? What's a word that starts with an E? An Elena, or E as an egg, or elephant. Can you make a sound? There you go. E is for elephant. Elephant. Good job. We try it again. E is for elephant. Elephant. Good singing. I love all of the friends who are singing with me. All right. What is this letter? A T. Do you have a word that starts with T? Turtle or tutu? What else? Do you have a word that starts with T?
Tutu.
You just like tutu? All right, let's do turtle. How about that? T is for turtle. Turtle. Can you say t? I want to hear you. T. All right. T is for turtle. Turtle. All right. What is this letter? P for pie or pumpkin, or what else? What letter for P? Or what word for P? Puppy?
Yeah.
Let's do puppy. Can you make a p sound? Good job! P is for puppy. Puppy. One more time. P is for puppy. Puppy. Good job. All right. What's this letter? Z. Z is for zoo. Can you go zoo? Good job. Or zipper. Good job. Let's do zoo. Is that okay? All right. Z is for zoo. Zoo. Can we do it one more time? Z is for zoo. Zoo. Good job. Our last few letters to do.
Good job, Mommy. Paramount.
Thanks, babe. Does anyone know what letter this is?
L.
L. What is L for?
Lion.
Lion or leap or lemur?
A lemur.
Lemur. L is for lemur. Lemur. Can you do la? Can you do la?
Yeah.
L is for lemur. Lemur. All right. What is this letter?
Yeah.
I. Do you know some words that start with I? Ice? Well, igloo? Okay. What about indigo? Okay. What word starts with L that starts with I that you like? Do you remember? I is for igloo. Igloo. Can you do that with your nose? Good job. I is for igloo. Igloo. Do you know what this letter is? S! About sun and snake and sunshine. There you go. S is for sun. Sun. Can you do s? Good job. S is for sun. Sun. Oh, this letter? J, like in January. You're right. Good job. J is for January. January. Can you go J? Good job. J is for January. January. That, very good memory. That's what I was trying to say. Good job. All right. That was a really good word to use. That was perfect for this month. All right, can I see that letter, please? What letter is that?
C.
C. What's a word that starts? What's a word that starts with C? Can you tell our friends? What's a word that starts with C? About cat? Would you like this letter back? Then can you please tell me what word starts with C?
Cat.
What about, do you have another one? Just cat? No, another word. C is for cat or caterpillar or circle. Wow, that was a very hard one because circle sometimes sounds like an S. Okay, can we do caterpillar? Okay. C is for caterpillar. Caterpillar. Can you do Good job. C is for caterpillar. Caterpillar. All right, we have one letter left. Nice job. Give yourself a pat on the back. All right, ready? Do you know what this letter is? Do you know what this letter is?
W.
No, not W. Close.
V.
A V. Like Valentine.
Valentine.
Or violin. Or oh, what do you say?
Excuse me.
Good job. Can we do violin? Can you go v? Good job. V is for oh, I said can we do violin? I said Valentine. V is for violin. Violin. Good job. Can we do it one more time? V is for violin. Violin. Great job. All right. I want you guys to give yourself a round of applause. That was a very long game, but I am so glad that you guys played with me today. All right. I will see you on your next day. I'm going to throw snowballs at you. Goodbye.